Hello, it's Lisa Hull, and I am making my final project for MIT 812. Um, what I'm trying to design here is a project which will add technology and multimedia apps to my final exam for my high school chemistry classes. And obviously the objectives here would be to use some type of text, which I have done by adding a quiz type question section that I completed on Google Forms. And then I put the add-on of Flubaroo to grade those questions for me. I'm also going to have a photo that I customized with Pixlr, and that will allow me to have students label diagrams. And the next thing that I've added is a Powtoon animation, and on that animation is a link to a video on YouTube which shows students engaged in a scientific lab experiment, allowing them to take data that my students will use in order to do the calculations and the math. So in order to begin this, I will open up Google Classroom and go to one of my chemistry classes. And what I'd like to do is create an assignment. And of course I would call it Final Exam Chemistry. The instructions are follow the links to the interactive final exam questions. Of course, the due date is not tomorrow, but would be rather up in May of the 17th. Save that. And then at some point when I am ready to do this, I'll hit assign, but at this point I'll just save it to the draft. So the first part of this that I have worked on, and then I will upload or link to my assignment, is multiple choice questions that I did complete here on Google Forms. As you can see, I have listed multiple choice questions, and the last one is a true false. In order to score these, I emailed this to myself at my Gmail account, and I took the quiz and hopefully put the right answers, and that gave me a key which I can use to save me a lot of time grading when I get prepared to give students this exam. Another portion of this is to have this diagram, which I customized on Pixlr, and as you can see, it shows a separation by filtration method. And students have done this, actually performed this lab in class, and so there will be a section for them to go in and write the names of all of these components of this filtration separation lab. The third part is my Powtoon, and on my Powtoon it goes through a YouTube video which students are performing an experiment called the determination of percent composition of oxygen in magnesium oxide. It's a pretty dangerous lab. You have to heat magnesium up until it lights on fire, and that gives a bright glow like a welding torch, so can damage students' eyes. It takes quite a while, about 12 minutes to do that, and so it's less dangerous this way, and my students can all complete the calculations. So pretty much this wraps it up. I'm still not thrilled with my Powtoon. I would like to have it flow seamlessly into the video rather than providing a link, but I'm still working on that. I've really enjoyed this project. I've learned a lot, and I hope to continue adding to this knowledge so that I can really utilize this in May when it comes time for my final exams. Thank you and goodbye.